Dr. David Fabi here, orthopedic surgeon, hip and knee replacement specialist here in lovely San Diego. All right, so let's talk about hip replacement surgery. Hip replacements have the tagline as a surgery of the century. It's also #1 in terms of patient satisfaction among all types of surgeries. So I love being a part of that because I see the transformation of patients once they get the surgery. The goal is when they come into my office at 2 weeks, they're walking normally, already super happy with their surgery. So just know that continues to get better and better. We're doing same-day discharge, hip replacement surgery. Patients are going home the same day, sometimes even as early as 2 hours after the procedure. So it's fantastic. It's outstanding. I love being a part of that, really improving the lives of many people. So it's all good stuff.